Introduction. Why convert PDF to Word?
PDF files are known for their stability and universal compatibility, but editing them can be a challenge. Converting a PDF to an editable Word document makes it easier to update text, adjust formatting, or extract content. Many free online tools can help you do this quickly and safely without installing any special software.
Choosing a reliable online tool.
Select an online PDF to Word converter with a strong reputation for privacy and accuracy. Popular options include Smallpdf, ILovePDF, and PDF2Doc. These services are free for simple conversions and work directly from your browser, avoiding the need to download and install extra programs on your device.
Uploading your PDF file.
Navigate to your chosen online converter and look for an Upload button. Click it and select the PDF file you wish to convert from your device. Most platforms also offer options to drag and drop your file or to import directly from cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox for added convenience.
Converting and downloading.
After uploading your PDF, click the Convert to Word button. The tool will process your file and provide a download link. Once conversion is complete, simply click the link to download your new editable Word document. Double-check the converted file to ensure all formatting and text elements have transferred correctly.
Tips for best results and security.
For best results, use high-quality text-based PDFs and avoid scanned images unless the tool supports OCR. Always review your converted file for errors. When using free online tools, verify that your files are automatically deleted after processing to help protect your privacy and sensitive information.